Compare last element of a row to the rest of a row in Pandas. I am working with a data frame in Pandas which holds numeric data. E.g. What I want to do is compare the elements in the third column with the other elements in their respective row in terms of something each element in row n is lower than last element of row n, return true/false, or 1/0. What I have done so far is use apply like this. So this does not seem to work since I assumed that the comparison is not iterating correctly. Could somebody give me a tip on how to solve this? Thanks.
Use dataframe.lt for compare with last column selected by position. Last if needs 0, 1 convert to integers by dataframe.astype. Your solution with number py.where is possible use with dataframe constructor.